let's solve this question together. It says 4 raised to power x plus t is equal to 30. We're going to solve for x in this question, okay? Now, when you have this, you can say that 4 is 2 squared. So we have 2 squared raised to the power of x plus 2, okay? In bracket like this, is equal to 30 here, on the other hand, is equal to 2 times 3 times 5, okay? Now, moving on from here, we can multiply this and this. So we have 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 2 is 4. So we're equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now, you can do something here, okay? We can say that since this is plus here, this means that this is 2 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. So we're equal to 2 raised to the power, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Moving on from here, let's divide both sides by 2 raised to the power 4. So we have that 2 raised to the power 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, 2 divided by 2 raised to the power 4 is something as 2 raised to the power negative 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, now let's now take the logarithm of both sides. So we have the logarithm of 2 raised to the power 2x to be equal to the logarithm of 2 raised to the power negative 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, now when you have this, the logarithm you're taking this in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x here is 2. You take the logarithm to base 2 of both sides. When you have logarithm of a number raised to the power, you multiply the power with the log. Okay, so we have 2x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to, on this other side, split up and put plus. So we have logarithm to base 2 of 2 raised to the power negative 3 plus logarithm to base 2 of 3 plus logarithm to base 2 of 5. Okay, so we have logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So this will give us 1. 1 times 2x is 2x. So we equal to negative 3 multiplied by, again, this is logarithm of a number to its own base. So we have 1 plus, on this other side, we have logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay, now we have dividing both sides by 2. We have x to be equal to negative 3 over 2 plus half multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.